So good evening, everyone. So how was the mirror practice? How did you feel?
Amazing.
Amazing. Okay. Tanvi, you shared yesterday that you would always be in front of the mirror. So for you, it might be
Yeah.
very different. Yes. But
Yeah, and I never looked at good things, like never.
Hmm.
I only used to be like, there are so many pimples, and then there's yet another one coming, and I don't know when it's going to go. So I always used to complain that I'm being very honest.
Okay.
Never in front of the mirror. Like maybe in one or two pictures that are good, I might look at myself and say, okay, I look pretty. But otherwise, in the mirror, never. But today I felt really nice.
Okay. So first time when you looked at yourself in the mirror, because I had got the selfie practice done yesterday. So it might not have been so strange, but when you looked at the mirror for the first time after the session or in the morning, when you thought of saying thank you, how did you feel?
Honestly, in the morning, even when I saw myself,
Hmm.
I went really close to the mirror, and even then I spotted a pimple. Okay. Very honest. After that, the full day I was just looking at myself and adoring all the good things like my nails and stuff. So
Okay. And it
it
was
was
not
good.
just about the nails, it also about the qualities. Okay.
Yeah,
Like, yes, I'm a very good
patient
person.
listener and stuff. So
Yes, I'm an intelligent person. I can help people. So what if I've got scoldings in school? If not in school, maybe from mom or dad. Or so what if I have something, missing in the sense like, maybe you would want curlier hair or straighter hair, something that you had, looked at and thought, nahi, kash ye thoda sa aisa hota. Like you saying, na, height aisi hoti. So instead of those, you have to accept those also. That was the whole idea. It's like you are accepting you in totality. Okay. Whether it is the good things or something which you are a little, maybe want tweak, thoda sa karna hai, that also, that way. So very good, and you felt nice, and you
I
could,
felt really nice, really amazing.
yeah. So now this practice has to continue every day. So whenever you are looking at yourself in the mirror, you have to say thank you for getting up on time, thank you for studying so hard, thank you for the exams that you have done so nice, thank you for helping mom or whatever. So now you have to keep on, appreciating you. गलती भी की है तो तभी भी you have to say I accept you as I am. Okay. Like, I accept you as you are, not as I am, that way. Okay. So good, you did this. And others.
I think in the entire book, this is my favorite practice.
Cool, very nice, very nice. And you are going to, feel even more amazing if you continue with this. Your confidence level and the way you are, whatever you are actually wanting to achieve, if you just look in the mirror and say that is possible. Okay. So once this session is over, I'll mention a name of the book. You can go through that. Maybe you're a little too young for that. Even I have not done it. I've just started it once or twice and then not completed it. But that book is like really nice. If you want to say that, yes, I am a super brilliant person, I'm a champion, I'm a winner, anything like that, I'm successful, I am earning billions, millions, whatever. Even that, if you look at yourself in the mirror and say, even that is amazing. Okay. It works like an affirmation. It's like you are boosting yourself that way. Okay. So anyone else who did this practice?
Also, if we like say this affirmations before we are going to sleep, it
Hmm.
really works because when we are sleeping, our subconscious mind is active and it is very strong. So
Yes.
if we read our dreams, like visualize our dreams and say these affirmations before sleeping, it's very
Yeah, true. Very good, Nitya. Yes. Even before you sleep, if you just keep on saying, it's like each time you are looking at yourself, and suppose you are only working on one quality, okay, or one thing that you want to change or improve, just that one line. If you look in the mirror and say, it's like you're constantly saying, it should be thank you most of the times, but when you're looking in the mirror, you have to say that particular thing. Okay. And that really works wonders, because we read now that when you're about to sleep, the subconscious mind accepts it and is working on it. And in the morning when you get up, the whole time that you're asleep, the subconscious mind is working on it and building your cells like that. Yeah. So Nitya, you also did the practice. How was it?
Yeah, I really love the practice. I practice this usually, so this was not new to me.
Hmm.
But today, focusing on this stuff and looking at this and telling this whenever I was looking in the self in the mirror was very good.
Very nice. Very nice.
I've never said thank you. Like I'd said affirmations, but I said thank you for the first time. I was thankful.
ओके वेरी गुड. हाँ थैंक यू मस्त था. सब लोग को थैंक यू बोलना था. ठीक है सबने बोला ना. हाँ या ओके गुड. Someone else wants to share? How was it, Avni? You would like to share about the practice? Then we'll take the magical sharings after the reading.
I did the practice. It was really nice.
Okay, ठीक है, very good. And you, I'll tell you, when I see you guys are young. No, you have just had, like I was sharing, I had so much hang-ups, I would call, when I was growing up. So when I did the practice for the first time, I could not look in my eyes and say thank you. I was like so conscious and I was so awkward. And I would look in the mirror and I was like, कैसे बोले क्या करें, you know, I was like this the first time I did it. Then in fact I was almost in tears the first time I tried doing this. And then the rest of the day, then it was, you know, gradually it was okay. And I could not tell the good things about myself. It was only, you know, towards the end of the day that I could say, yes, thank you for being so kind, thank you for being so, I'm not very patient, but I said thank you for being so patient, you know. I was telling those things and other things that I felt quality wise that were good about me. That's what I started with. And then I said about my eyes, and then I said, yeah, thank you for my nice smile. And then then the next days I would regularly do this practice. Okay. And now when I work out, like if I show you, this is my room and this is the mirror. Okay. This is the mirror. And I work out here only. Okay. In this, next to the bed over here. And I'm looking in the mirror and working out. Now, you know, when I get tired and I want to give up the exercise, I'll say, thank you. And after thank you, I will even say, I love you. I would do like this also. When I'm doing some tough exercise and I have to, you know, like really encourage myself, ki nahi exercise karte jao, mat chodo, complete the set. Then I do that. Okay. Thank you karne lagte hain counting ke baad. And then I say, I love you also. Yes. So,
Masti, can I ask you something?
Yes.
Like, what sort of workout do you do?
What sort of workout? I do a lot of mix. In the sense like,
so is there any particular YouTube video that you follow or any app or something?
I used to do a lot of yoga. For that I had an app, but off late I am following this SoFit. Okay, they are that guy used to train Alia Bhatt. Okay, and Karan Johar, Kiara Ali Advani. Okay, so that guy, not that guy, Saurabh, I've forgotten his surname, SOHFIT. What he does is he every day on Insta he posts a workout of the day. Okay. So that is like a mix. You have to do 5 squats, maybe 10 jumps and some sit-ups. So it's like a chote exercise. It's like a compilation which you have to do many times. Okay. And then maybe some 50 skippings and then some 10 push-ups like that. So something like that.
I wanted to tell you that only there's this app called 30 Days Fitness Challenge. Okay. There's a 6-month set.
Okay.
So there's a 6-month set. You have 3 plans with 2 levels each. So one is easy and one is hard. And you start with, so every day even they have like 5 sets of workout. They have the leg workout, your arm workout, then you have the ab workout, butt workout, and full body workout. Okay. There are 5 sets like that, and you have to finish it in that day. So there are day 1, day 2, and after every 3 days there's a rest day. Okay. So which you can also skip, but if you want, you can follow that. It's really nice. I've been doing it for a long while now.
Okay, 30-day fitness. That's the app.
30 days fitness challenge.
Okay, 30-day fitness challenge. Okay, I'll note it down. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Yes, Khushi.
Ma'am, you are born and brought up in Calcutta.
Yes. No, I was born in Kanpur, but I think my mom went there because my relatives were there, and we don't have any relatives over here. So just for that, she went there so that I'm there, and you know, people could take care of me, I guess. And then I've been in Calcutta all my life.
You did your schooling also over here?
Yes, schooling also over here. School, college, everything I did here. Though I wanted to like see how the world works, how the universe works. When I was in school, I always wanted to go out and study. I never wanted to, you know, be in Calcutta to study for my higher education. But same, like, you know, जैसे भगवान जी का plan होता है, जो होना होता है universe में, yeah. So I was here only until now. I'm the only one who's been the longest with my parents. Okay, that is I'm not complaining. It's a good thing. I could, you know, experience a lot of things, the weddings of my siblings and the birth of my nieces and nephews, all that I have seen, taking care of my father when he was unwell, and mom, that's what is like hale and hearty, so it's cool. So I've been here. Initially I would like, क्या मेरे को हमेशा से बाहर जाने का मन था, तब मेरे पास मैजिक बुक या ग्रेटिट्यूड नहीं था ना, वरना हम ड्रीम लिख लेते, right? So this is what I'm saying. You guys are really blessed that you got this opportunity to, you know, kind of write what you want, and you are, this book is actually telling us what you can do to achieve what you want. Okay, so just be in the practice of this book. It is wonderful.
Ma'am, even I used to be like this, that, for my college, I don't want to stay in India, but now I think it's good that I did not go.
Yes.
And now I want to stay in India only.
Yeah. Okay. So what you do is, like, see, whichever stream you want to follow, but they go, see, book is telling us that you ask for what you actually want. Okay. So if you really feel that you want to go to NYC, you just write about it. Okay. And if you really want, you will be there.
Yeah.
And if you feel no, you don't want to go, you don't want to be away from your family. It's like, I was thinking, when you go abroad, suppose something happens, you want to, you want to meet your mom, you are homesick, you can't come back so soon. Yes. At least in India, you're just maximum 4 hours away, 2 hours flight, and 1 hour maybe car travel. That's it.
Yeah.
So anywhere you are in India, you're maximum 4 hours away. Yes.
Yeah.
And when children go abroad, or even for parents, when the children go abroad and they have to come back, and if there is something good, or even something, like I was my friend whose daughter was studying in, I think, Manipal. उसके पैर में फ्रैक्चर हो गया, वहां पे पढ़ रही थी वो, और उसके फ्रैक्चर हो गया. My friend immediately flew there. Okay, brought her back home. Okay, she's in Calcutta only. So उसको जाके उसको ले आई. If a child is studying abroad, कुछ भी होता है, हो सकता है ना. It's like, maybe anything. You are like, you're stuck. That's what I feel. Again, I'm not saying you should not go out and study. I'm not saying that, but that's just my view.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and at least India, I always feel that, good people, good brains, intelligent people should be in India only. Because I am like a die-hard patriot. मेरे को लगता है कि बस India is the best. जो भी हो, अच्छे जन वापस यहीं आ जाएं. जो पढ़ने जाते हैं ना बाहर.
Yeah, they come back eventually.
I don't know if they come back. Most of them.
No, many don't, because they are so used to that kind of life standard and everything. They want the class. But some do if they are not liking the.
Even when they come back, they're not happy. They're not happy. They will keep on saying, "Kaisi government hai, ye nahi hai, wo nahi hai."
They'll compare.
So that's why. But again, I'm not saying कि क्या अच्छा है, क्या गंदा है. I just say that मेरे को क्या अच्छा लगता है. That's all. Okay.
So just I remember that incident.
Yes.
My Bua lives in America, and her son. So when he came to India, we were at some place, and he threw a blue lace packet. There was a dustbin, and he threw it beside the dustbin. And I was like, "Why are you doing that?" And he was like, "The India का मजा तो लेने को, मेरे को अमेरिका में तो ऐसा कर भी नहीं सकती."
This I don't like. Yeah. This I don't like at all. Yeah. What is this?
It's not good. We threw it inside the dustbin. He was making a joke.
Yes. Okay. So before we start, I think we have done good chatting now. So tell me, who else did the practice? I think जिनका camera on है सिर्फ उन्हीं ने की है, right, Kashvi? Tanvi has done. She has shared. Apni must be, I think, munching on something. And Jinisha again has gone off. And others, have you done the practice? Thank you, Kushi. You did the practice.
Yes.
Yeah, I did the practice.
Okay.
And as I said, I've done this before. I think this has been my favorite practice.
Cool, wonderful.
Like sometimes when I'm free, I don't have anything to do. Like everyone in the world, I just sit in front of mirror and start singing a song or dancing, or I just starting to myself. So
very good. Now, when you are doing this, when you are in front of the mirror and suppose no one is there around you, what you do is, yes, you look at yourself in the mirror and talk about your dream. Okay, you tell your dream to yourself in the present tense, like how you have written your dreams. Yeah, you talk about that. Like, and you can just like, जैसे आँख बंद करके visualization कर रहे हो आप, वैसे ही आँख खोल के, of course, you are looking at yourself in the mirror. You are telling yourself कि yes, I am in that Porsche. Okay, बाकी dreams मेरे को याद नहीं आ रही. Sorry, Tanvi will stick to your Porsche only. That yes, I'm driving my Porsche. It was so much fun. All my friends were sitting behind me, and the color was looking so cool. People on the streets were looking at me with appreciative eyes. Looking at the car with up. So you tell your dream while you are in front of the mirror. Okay, so all this, the more share with the mirror. okay, with the person in the mirror, yeah, the better it is.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
like I
you
want to become
should-
an
sorry,
IAS
sorry, I'm
officer.
sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
Like I want to become an IAS officer. So I've written it in my dream list also. So I sometimes just imagine myself that when the time when I get the result, and like I've written completely like the time I get result, like everyone are very happy. I'm getting calls to congratulate, and then like I've got sweets at my home. Like I'm distributing it. Everyone are patting my back. Like everything in detail I've written.
Wow, very nice, very
So
nice.
like I've got, but I just have a confusion. Like I don't know which district magistrate am I gonna be. So should I leave it on the universe?
Yes, you leave it on the universe. Yeah, you leave it on the universe. Okay, till the time you're not sure, because it's some time away, right? So till the time you're not sure, you leave it on the universe. Don't bring that confusion in your visualization. Okay, as you are growing up, as you're studying, maybe you will get to know which district you want to, administrate, which district you want to stay in. That time you add that district in the visualization. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Khushi. Khushi, you wanted to say something?
Yes, ma'am, I was asking that generally it said you should not tell anyone about your wish because then it's not fulfilled. You should be like, believe in this concept or we can tell others.
See, in the power book, there's a very good explanation to this. If you are positive, okay,
Yes.
if you feel जिसको कुछ को सब कुछ बता दो, कुछ नहीं होएगा, then nothing will happen. Okay, you are talking about evil eye, right? You're talking about that, ना? नजर लग जाना.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes.
If you feel कि नजर लग जाएगी, तो क्या होएगा? Universe will say yes, granted, your wish is granted. You want कि नजर लग जाए, you are sending out that signal to the universe. So when you are already feeling this, and see, the feelings chart tells us that whatever is below the line, उसका power हमेशा थोड़ा ज्यादा होता है. If you are in fear of something will happen, something bad will happen, it means that will happen fast. Okay, so if you feel नजर लगेगी, मतलब लगेगी. ठीक है? So if you are telling your dream to someone and you already feel कि इसमें नजर लग सकती है, क्यों बता दी मैंने, अभी होगी नहीं, तो वो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा होने के लिए. ठीक है? So
Can I say something?
Yes, Khushi. Yeah.
Just Khushi said that the evil eye thing. So I believe that we tell our dreams. So for example, I've said that I want to become an IAS officer. So there are so many people in this group right now. So if anyone has any kind of suggestion or any book material or a study material or any particular course, they can just suggest me, which brings me more closer to my dream.
Yes, and there's another thing. Thank you, Khushi, for this idea. There's another thing. Khushi, other one Khushi, right? Khushi senior, you are Khushi junior, right? So what happens many a times when you share your dreams, yeah, you tell other people, and maybe after some time you've forgotten about your dream. You have become busy with studies, school, friends, family, and life. Yeah. Then that person will come. उससे कभी ना कभी तो आप मिलोगे. Then that person will, क्या हुआ, तुम तो IAS ऑफिसर बनने वाले थे. Then you say, अरे ये तो मेरी ड्रीम थी, हम तो भूल ही गए इसके बारे में. Then again you will start working for it. Okay, so there is a way of how you can take things. Okay, so you should not feel that whenever you are sharing things, whenever you are telling other people, it will always be bad. If someone asks you, तुम तो वहाँ holiday पे जाने वाली थी, they can ask in any manner. Okay, you can't control what they are saying, which manner they are saying, but what they are saying, how you are taking it, that is more important. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's do the warm up and let's start with the reading. Yeah, because it's some time and today's practice is also there, and then we have to just read one more chapter for tomorrow. Okay. So Archit is not here, and I think Vivan and Viraj are also. Vivan is here. So let's switch on our cameras, please, guys. Nahi? Huh? I thought mirror practice was sabka camera on hoega. Okay. So let's start, and we'll do it fast. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, start. 10 little fingers,
2 little ears,
10 1 little nose.
10 little
fingers, 2 little ears, and 1 little nose. Yes, yeah. So who wants to read today?
I can read.
Okay, wonderful. Yes. So let's start. Oh, sorry. Just let me just. Yes. Yeah, please start.
Tell me, are you hearing any background noise?
But see, background noise is not there as much, but your voice is a little muffled. What do others say? It's a little, maybe.
A
Yeah.
little low.
Low.
Yes, it is.
Okay, just give me a minute. A minute. Is it okay now?
Yes, the voice is clear and loud, but we can't hear anything now.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
She's
Day 28. Day 28. Remember the magic.
Yeah. So now when we look at the picture, what do we see here?
So sunrise or a sunrise?
Sunrise. Though I thought there are so many stars over here. This is definitely nighttime.
Okay. I saw them as magic dust. Fine.
Okay. वो भी हो सकता है. Yes, it can be that also. But I thought it is night because there are so many stars over here. And maybe दिन में मेरे को magic dust शायद नहीं, मेरे को हमेशा ये रात लगी. Okay, because this is, now you're telling us something new, so it can be day, but I thought this is the night time. And see how the moon, I'll stick to the moon version. I'll have to think about the sun version also. So now I'm looking at the moon and I'm just seeing the reflection it is casting on this water. Okay. And how it's like how deep an impact has gratitude made in your life. Okay. It's so far away, this moon, and it is lighting up the night time also. Yeah. A full moon is always so bright, right? Even when you go on the terrace, ऐसा लगता है कि अंधेरा है. But when you're actually there on the terrace, how many of you have actually enjoyed the full moon on a terrace or seen it at a time when it's totally dark and just the moonlight on you? How many of you have seen it? You have. And how do you feel?
I have as well.
You have as well. Huh? And don't you think it seems so nice? Everything is like all silvery.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I got a little bit late, but I have a sharing. Can I just do it?
Can we do it in the end because we've just started the reading, Viraj? Yeah. So
Ma'am, so can you just tell me what all happened till now?
Nothing. We have just started looking at the picture. Okay. So
Okay,
you're
ma'am.
just on time. Yeah.
Ma'am, I just came from cycling, so I'm again a little bit tired, so I'm on the bed. Ma'am, I'll just switch on my video, but I'm looking very shabby.
Doesn't matter. You can switch it on after the reading is over. Okay. So it's perfectly fine. You can rest and listen to it, take it in properly, and then you can do the sharing with your camera on. Okay, Viraj? Yeah. Okay. So now I was saying that when we are looking at this picture, it's like this moon is leaving an impact on the water. Okay. Wherever this moon is shining, wherever the moonlight is falling, it's leaving an impact. Yeah. It's making the things glow and shine. So is that what gratitude has done in our life? Yeah. And will it impact our life, in such a manner that whenever we are thinking of being grateful, it will impact all the areas of our life? Or you can also say that we have been doing gratitude for the past 27 days. And now our life is turning magical. Wherever we are looking, it has touched each and every area, corner of our life. And it has made that impact on, cast that silver spell on all of it. Yeah, we can look at it like that. Yeah. Yes, Nitya. Nitya, please unmute. We can't hear you.
I'm so sorry, I was not able to hear you.
Yes, please.
That's the thing with magic. You've got to know it's still here, all around us, or it just stays invisible for you. Charles Day Lind, born 1951, writer and Celtic folk musician.
Yeah, so magic is like that. Remember, the book started with this quote. I'll just read it here. those who don't believe in magic will never find it. That was the starting line of this book. Okay, that those who don't believe in magic will never find it. And now at the end of the book session, Rhonda Byrne is telling us that, you know, this is the way. If we now, don't you think that magic was always there? It is already there, but now we have got the eyes to find it. Now we have got the, you know, clarity to look at the magic all around us. Yeah. And if we are not in practice, if we are not aware of it, it will not be visible to us. So wherever we feel, or, you know, you can also take it like that, that, you know, either things are good or bad. How we look at them is the actual thing. Yeah. If we are thinking, you know, the glass is empty, everyone has heard that now, the glass is empty, or the glass is half full or half empty. If we feel that it is half empty, then it is half empty. But if you are looking at in a magical way, or if you are looking at it through the eyes of gratitude, then you will always say that yes, the glass is half full. So the magic is there everywhere, whether you look at it, look at the sunrise or the sunset, or the way your parents have helped you always, or the way your health has been good, or how you have been, you know, blessed with good friends, studies, school. Wherever you are looking at it in a positive manner, magic is actually there always. But the moment we are not looking at things from the eyes, you know, through the eyes of the gratitude, or, you know, कि जिस जैसे देखते हैं वैसे ही दिखता है ना, if you are not looking at it through gratitude, वो हमको कुछ भी magical नहीं लगेगा, हम लोगों को हर चीज में सिर्फ complaints ही complaints दिखाई देंगी. Okay, yeah, so let's read.
Every day is unique. There is no day like any other day. The good things that happen each day are forever different and forever changing. And so when you remember the magic by counting yesterday's blessings, no matter how many times you do it, it will be different every time. It's just one of the reasons why Remember the Magic is the most powerful ongoing practice to maintain the magic of gratitude in your life. No matter what your desires are now, or what desires you will have in the future, this magical practice will remain the most powerful practice of your entire life.
Yeah, for your entire life. So now आप बोलोगे नहीं, हर दिन तो यूनिक नहीं होता. जब से लॉकडाउन हुआ है ना, वही सेम, उठो, सेशन करो, खाना खाओ, फिर एक सेशन करो, फिर पढ़ाई करो, फिर खेलो फ्रेंड्स के संग या जो भी करो, फिर से सो जाओ. आपको लगेगा सब डेज सेम है, बट क्या आप सेम कपड़े रोज पहनते हो? टेल मी. क्या आप सेम खाना रोज खाते हो? बोले हाँ, हम तो सेम ही दाल चावल ब्रेड सैंडविच यही खाते हैं. नहीं, उसमें भी आप हर दिन सेम, सुबह से शाम कुछ भी सेम नहीं करते हो. एवरी डे इज यूनिक. हाँ, क्या आप सेम फ्रेंड से रोज सेम उतने बजे ही बात करते हो? नहीं करते हो. इफ वी कलेक्ट ऑल द थिंग्स, यू डू नॉट स्टार्ट लाइक, यू नो, कि रोज आप 6 बजे ही उठते हो. कोई दिन 6:05 होता होगा, मे बी सम डेज 7 होता होगा, मे बी सम डेज इट्स 5:30, आई डोंट नो, बट एवरी डे इज यूनिक. शी इज नॉट जस्ट टेलिंग अस इट इज डिफरेंट. एवरी डे इज यूनिक, माने हर दिन में कुछ ना कुछ अच्छी चीजें. यूनिक हम लोग गंदी चीजों के लिए बोलते हैं कि अच्छी चीजों के लिए बोलते हैं? Tell me, unless we are not, you know, कभी कभी फ्रेंड्स लोग को बोलते हैं यूनिक जब उनको चिढ़ा रहे होते हैं कि तुम तो बहुत ही यूनिक हो. ऐसा करता है कोई? हाँ, कुछ फनी चीज कर देता है तब उसको बोलते हैं, you know, just to, you know, make light of the situation. But generally unique is used for something which is good, something which is exceptional, right? तो जब हम यूनिक बोल रहे हैं, रोंडा बर्न बोल रहे हैं कि हर दिन यूनिक है, माने हर दिन ब्लेसिंग से भरा हुआ है. क्या हर दिन इतनी अच्छी अच्छी चीजें होती हैं जो पिछले दिन से डिफरेंट होती हैं. So now remember the magic. The chapter's name is Remember the Magic. The practice is Remember the Magic. So when we are saying that each day is unique, means like from each day we have to find things which are exceptional, which are unique, which are good, which are all magical. And now when we do this practice every day, okay, then our life is truly magical. And this is like an ongoing practice. जैसे आप magic rock करते हो रात में, yeah, what you do is you scan the day, in the sense like you think of everything that is happening in the day, and from that you choose the most unique thing. Yeah, most unique thing, most best thing that for which you are grateful. तो अब ये practice हमको क्या बोल रही है कि कल सुबह या कल दिन में जब हम ये practice करेंगे तो हमको आज के दिन की, it's like, you know, like today the 6th of June, उसकी सारी चीजें देख के जो बेस्ट चीजें होंगी वो लिखनी है हमको. ठीक है, इससे क्या होगा, हमको हर दिन हम याद करेंगे कि आज पिछले दिन में क्या अच्छा हुआ. ठीक है. तो now this is the practice which you have to carry on every day of your life. Okay. if आप बोलोगे नहीं मेरे को नहीं करना लाइफ के लिए, इतने दिन हो गया बस ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. क्यों आज कल विराज ने साइकिलिंग की इतने दिन, धीरे धीरे कर करके 20 किलोमीटर ही साइकिल ना, या, एंड हिज फादर कुड डू 70 किलोमीटर्स. हाउ डिड दिस हैपन? ओनली थ्रू प्रैक्टिस. एक दिन करके तो कोई 70 किलोमीटर नहीं कर लेगा, राइट? हम तो अटेम्प्ट भी, हम तो सोच भी नहीं सकते 70 किलोमीटर्स. या, सो व्हेन यू आर इन योर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ राइटिंग योर ग्रैटिट्यूड और दिस प्रैक्टिस ऑफ रिमेंबर द मैजिक, ओनली देन ड्रीम्स विल कम ट्रू, only then magics will keep on happening every day. Yeah. And Rhonda Byrne is telling us, no matter what your desires are now or what your desires will be in the future. फ्यूचर के लिए उन्होंने क्यों कहा? आपको लगता है आज जो आपने 10 ड्रीम लिस्ट बनाई है उसमें से एक दो तो चलो आपके थोड़े साल बाद में हो जाएंगी फुलफिल, बट जब वो हो जाएंगी यू विल नॉट गेट एनी न्यू डिजायर्स. टेल मी, यू विल ना. आज आपको मे बी गोवा जाने का मन है हॉलीडेज में फ्रेंड्स के संग, नेक्स्ट में भी आपको टर्की जाने का होगा, मे बी यूरोप जाने का होगा, मे बी यूएस जाने का होगा. सो यही सोचेंगे तो कितनी सारी ड्रीम्स हो गई, राइट? कल टाइगर श्रॉफ को किसी से मिलने का मन है, उसके बाद और कोई एक्टर आएगा उससे मिलने का मन होगा, या मे बी आपको एक्टर बनने का ही मन होगा. आई डोंट नो, योर ड्रीम्स कैन कीप ऑन, लाइक सी, जब तक लाइफ है ड्रीम्स तो होनी ही चाहिए, या वरना क्या लाइफ है? Tell me. So Rhonda Byrne is telling us that when we are in this practice, okay, whatever desires that we have now or the desires that will come in the future, all of this can be attained through this magical practice. Okay, which magical practice? Being in gratitude. And how can we be in gratitude always? Whenever we are remembering the magic, means we are looking for things to be grateful, and that is how, and that is why the magic will keep happening in our life. Yeah. So please continue, Nitya.
The easiest way to remember the blessings of yesterday is to start by remembering the beginning of the day when you woke up, and go back over the day in your mind, recollecting the major events of the morning, afternoon, and evening, until you reach the time when you went to bed. When you recall yesterday's blessings, it should be effortless. You're just scanning the surface of yesterday, and as you scan, the blessings will bubble to the surface of your mind.
Yeah. So अब क्या करना है हमको? कल जब हम उठेंगे पहले तो सुबह सुबह हमको ब्लेसिंग्स अपनी लिखनी है, ठीक है? वो ब्लेसिंग्स कल लिखनी है, उसके बाद ओनली फॉर टुमारो दिस प्रैक्टिस इज देयर. आपको दिन में कभी भी बेस्ट इज की सुबह सुबह ही कर लें, ठीक है? इफ यू डोंट गेट टाइम आफ्टर राइटिंग योर ब्लेसिंग्स, यू कैन टेक आउट टाइम, यू नो, एनी टाइम बिफोर lunch or around lunch time, and you have to write down. Rhonda Byrne will tell us just to think, but what you have to do is you have to actually write down what आज के दिन में, like 6 June, tomorrow you'll be doing the practice 7th June, तो 6 June में जो मॉर्निंग से इवनिंग तक जो अच्छी अच्छी चीजें हुई, ठीक है? And she's telling us scan it, okay? It should be effortless. You're just scanning the surface of yesterday, ठीक है? स्कैन करने क्यों बोला? जैसे सपोज आज आपकी कोई फ्रेंड आई लंच पे, ठीक है? तो आप बोलो आई एम सो थैंकफुल माय फ्रेंड केम फॉर लंच एंड वी हैड अ गुड टाइम. ये हो गया स्कैनिंग द सरफेस. अगर आप डीप जाओगे तो क्या होगा? आप उस इवेंट के बारे में और ज्यादा सोच रहे हो, तो मे बी यू नो फ्रेंड आई, मे बी खाना लेट से आया होगा, मे बी दूसरी फ्रेंड नहीं आई होगी, तो कुछ और चीजें आ जाती हैं मन में जो अच्छी नहीं होती है, ठीक है? या उतनी अच्छी नहीं होती है. तो व्हेन यू आर थिंकिंग, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग डीप ना, then there are many times when you start looking at complaints also. Like if I tell you, think about a holiday, ठीक है? हम लोग हॉलिडे पे जाते हैं, फैमिली हॉलिडे होती है. Do you think from start to end everything is perfect? Tell me.
No.
No, na? So when you're scanning the surface, you will say, I had gone for a holiday, it was amazing, right? यहीं पे बात खत्म हो जाती है. But when you try to make a paragraph, when you go deep, तब क्या होगा? हॉलिडे वाज अमेजिंग, लेकिन क्या हुआ था ना, फ्लाइट बहुत लेट हो गई थी, फ्लाइट में बहुत थक गए थे, एंड देन द स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स. स्टोरी ऑफ व्हाट? कंप्लेंट स्टार्ट्स, राइट? You have to just scan the surface of what was good in today. You have to scan the major events. It's like, you know, कि dinner हुआ था, बहुत अच्छा था, maybe कोई friend का phone आया, so you know we will read about it, but this is what scanning means. So when you're digging deep, then you automatically complaints come. So we don't have to dig deep, we just have to superficially check कि हाँ ये क्या क्या अच्छे अच्छे events हुए हमारे कल, ठीक है? So let's read. Nitya, please unmute and read.
You can start this magical practice by asking the question, what are the good things that happened yesterday? Whenever you ask a question, your mind will immediately look for the answer. Did you receive any great news? Did you magically receive or accomplish one of your desires? Did you magically receive unexpected money? Did you feel especially happy? Did you hear from a friend who you haven't heard from in a long time? Did something go magnificently well for you? Did you receive a great phone call or email? Did you receive a compliment? Or did someone express his or her appreciation for you? Did someone help you to solve a problem? Did you help somebody? Did you finish a project or start something new you're excited about? Did you eat your favorite food or watch a great movie? Did you receive a gift, resolve a situation, have a stimulating meeting, quality time with someone, a great conversation, or make plans for something you really want to do?
या तो आप देखिए कैसे उन्होंने हमको एग्जांपल्स दी थी. आप बोलोगे नहीं हर दिन यूनिक है तो इतने सारी चीजें कैसे हम निकाल के लेके आएंगे 10 चीजें, राइट? तो शी हैज गिवन अस द एग्जांपल्स. अगर हम आज आपको बोलें कि कल क्या अच्छा हुआ, व्हाट विल यू से? नित्या, प्लीज आंसर. लाइक व्हाट वाज द गुड थिंग दैट हैपेंड yesterday, not today. Like looking at these
Yes.
questions, yeah, what will you say?
I spoke to a friend I had not talked in a long time. And the good thing is that I wrote about her in my blessings yesterday itself, and she contacted me.
Wow.
I was going to share that in the ending.
Acha, okay, good. Yeah. And you ate something nice?
Yeah.
Maybe you had a good workout. Maybe you had a good.
Yeah, I had a good morning walk.
Yeah. Or you saw something nice on telly, or you got to hear about a
I
new.
finished my favorite series, so I was very free and I started a new hobby.
Okay. Wow. See. So
I
if
started baking.
which series did you finish, by the way? Sorry.
I finished Riverdale.
Riverdale. Okay.
Yes.
So see, if you just reflect, there are so many things that you can be grateful for in a day. So many. Okay. So this is what we have to do tomorrow after your lunch or before your lunch.
Everyone
or
in our group likes dark series.
Sorry.
Everyone in our group likes dark series.
Dark series. Okay. By the way, I finished that Stranger Things. Huh? Now I'm on the Umbrella Academy. Okay. Yeah.
That is equally.
It is also.
Yes, I know what to do. I also like such series. Yeah. So yes. So I was saying that when you are scanning, okay, it has to be like, this ki, ye kya, wo kya, and you move on. It should be like, quick. The moment you start dwelling in it, yeah, that is the time we are looking at, कि हाँ ये छोटा है, ये बड़ा है, वो कम अच्छा था, वो ज्यादा पका था, वो मिर्ची थी उसके अंदर की, वो ज्यादा मीठा था. So that is the time when we are looking at these things. Yeah. So you just have to be happy with what happened actually. Yeah. So let's continue.
Remember the magic and list yesterday's blessings on a computer or write them out in a journal. Scan over the surface of yesterday until you feel satisfied that you have recorded the blessings of the day. They can be small things or big things because it's not about the size of the blessings. It's about how many blessings you find and how much gratitude you feel for each one. As you remember and notate each one, simply be grateful and say the magic words for it. Thank you.
Yeah. So now Rhonda is telling us that we have to write it in a journal, okay, or on a computer. But she's telling us that we have to just notate each one and be simply grateful and write thank you. तो कल खाली आप लोग ये कर लोगे कि आपने वो इंसिडेंट लिखा and thank you लिख दिया. Only for tomorrow. But future में क्या करना है? I will tell you. Okay, so you have understood? Like नित्या, कल का हो गया तो आज का भी आप ऐसे ही ढूंढोगे and कल ऐसे ही लिखना है and you have to say that thank you. ठीक है? So let's continue.
When you want to do this magical practice after today, you can mix it up so that some days you write out the blessings and other days you remember the blessings and say them out loud in your mind or in your mind. You can make a quick list of the blessings or you can make a more detailed list saying why you are grateful for each one.
Yeah. So now here the book is telling us you just need to remember, okay? But no, you are not to remember. You have to write. Okay? So ये वाली चीज जो है ना, ये आप लोगों ने नहीं पढ़ी है, नहीं सुनी है, और बुक में भी जब अपने आप पढ़ोगे तो मत पढ़ना. You have to write. How you have to write? The same way you write your blessings. Okay? That is how you are going to do this practice. How? thank you. I'm truly grateful that I could enjoy my walk because it was the morning was so cool. I feel so energized. Whichever way you want, you have to write like that. Okay. She's telling us you can list it out in your mind or think out loud. नहीं, कुछ नहीं. हमको सिर्फ written में विश्वास है. या जैसे बिना लिखी हुई will नहीं होती है ना? बिना लिखी हुई कोई will होती है? We have seen in movies. जब will नहीं लिखी, suicide note, will, जो कुछ भी होता है लिखा हुआ होना चाहिए. वैसे ही लिखी हुई ये blessings होनी है. ठीक है? Yeah.
There is no set number of blessings to find from yesterday because every day is different. But I can assure you that every single day of your life is full of blessings. And when you have opened your eyes to see the truth of this, you will have opened your heart to the magic of life. And your life will be abundant and magnificent.
Yeah. So ab dekho, she's telling us there is no end to this list. Okay. You can, if you want, you can write 10. If you want, you can write 15. But I am telling you minimum 10 लिखना ही है. ठीक है. कुछ भी चीज कि मे बी आपने कुछ ड्रेस पहनी होगी, वो आपको अच्छी लग रही होगी, आपके मम्मा से आपकी बहुत अच्छी बात हुई, फ्रेंड से बहुत अच्छी बात हुई, सब कुछ कूल था घर में. ये भी तो एक ब्लेसिंग होती है ना कि सिबलिंग्स के संग अच्छे से आप हो. दैट इज ऑल्सो अ बिग ब्लेसिंग. हाँ, कि फाइट नहीं हुई, चिल करके हैं सब लोग, यू आर एंजॉइंग something together. So you can write anything and everything that you want. Okay. Minimum 10 लिखना है, maximum का कुछ कोई number नहीं है. You want, you can write as many as you want. Now she's telling us that every day is full of blessings. Okay. Every day of your life, every single day of your life is full of blessings. And when you have opened your eyes to see the truth of this, and of course अब लोग open your eyes, हम लोग तो आँख खोल के ही दिन भर में रहते हैं, आँख खोल के ही सब काम करते हैं. No. When we are looking at things in a positive light, that is the time when we have opened our heart to the magic of life. अगर हम हर चीज में पॉजिटिविटी देख रहे हैं, वो चीज देख रहे हैं जिसके लिए हमको ग्रेटफुल होना है, तभी हमारे लाइफ में मैजिक आना शुरू होएगा. और हार्ट क्यों बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे बताइए? When you have opened your heart to the magic of life, जब वो ग्रेटफुल वाली चीजें हम देख रहे हैं, हम कैसे देख रहे हैं? क्या हम अपने एनालिटिकल माइंड से देख रहे हैं? टेल मी. नहीं ना. We'll be grateful only when we feel something in our heart. Yeah. So when we are looking at things with positivity, with gratitude, that is the time magic will start happening in our life. Okay. And then the life will be abundant and magnificent. Yeah. Please read.
Magic practice number 28.
Oh, this one, whoever.
Remember the magic.
No.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Whoever has gratitude will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. Remember the magic, it was created for you.
Yeah. अब देखिए ये जो लाइन है, ये हर थोड़े दिनों में हमारे हर प्रैक्टिस में ऑन एंड ऑफ आती रही है. Which one? This one. Whoever has gratitude will be given more. माने ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. हमने हर प्रैक्टिस में ऐसे पढ़ा था ना, ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर मनी, ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर हेल्थ, फॉर रिलेशनशिप्स. तो जिस एरिया में हम ग्रैटिट्यूड करेंगे, उस एरिया में अबंडेंस आती जाएगी. वो एरिया, वो जोन हमारे लाइफ का और अच्छा होता चला जाएगा. और जिसमें हम ग्रैटिट्यूड नहीं करेंगे, वो एरिया में कम होता जाएगा. राइट? इट विल बी टेकन फ्रॉम अस. एंड नाउ व्हेन Rhonda Byrne is telling us, remember the magic. Now what is this magic? Which magic is she telling us?
Gratitude.
The book, I guess.
Yes, I also felt the first time. Yes, it is the book. Remember the magic. Book का नाम ही the magic है. Yeah. So if you want, you can say, see, it is your interpretation. You can say the book. Remember the book means like जब हम practice भूल जाए, refer to the book because it was created for you. If you feel gratitude, remember the magic that happened in your life because of gratitude. It can be that magic. Whatever you feel, okay, that is what is here for you. Okay, क्योंकि क्या है, क्यों the magic हमको क्या सिखाया कि जो हमको यूनिवर्स दिखाना चाहती है, हम वही समझते हैं, वही पढ़ते हैं. Okay, in this book I am not showing कि एग्जाम में हम रॉन्ग समझ लें, ठीक है, रॉन्ग आंसर लिख दें, मेरे को तो यूनिवर्स ने यही क्यों दिया कि इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये था. Don't do that. Okay. Okay, so whenever you feel कि yes, this is what I have understood from you, it is that for you. ठीक है. So this book is created for you. The magics that this book caused are for you. So just remember those and keep doing the practice. Okay, so let's read.
Magic practice number 28. Remember the magic. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you're grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. You have written 280 blessings over the course of this book.
Yeah. So now tell me, those of you who have actually done the practice all these 27 days or 28 days, including today. No, 28 to kal hoga na? Yeah. So in the beginning of the session, did you actually think that you would write 270 blessings by the time we are here? Honestly?
I had calculated,
Oh, you
and I
had.
wanted to, like, it's my target to complete 500 blessings. So I always, like, from the beginning, I had calculated.
Okay, wow, Tanvi, very nice, yeah. And others, कैसा ऐसा किसी ने सोचा था कि 270 ब्लेसिंग्स लिखने पड़ेंगे और शुरू में सोच रहे थे 10 लिखने हैं? हाँ, I had actually thought that कि 10 लिखने पड़ेंगे रोज रोज, कहाँ से आएंगी इतनी सारी चीजें? So I'm telling you, you guys are amazing. हम बहुत skeptical थे when I had started this book. Okay, कैसे करेंगे? रोज करना पड़ेगा बैठ के. And I'm telling you, जिस दिन से हमने शुरू किया है उस दिन से आज तक मे बी एक आध दिन कभी ब्लेसिंग्स छूटी होंगी. I'm writing every day I've been writing. और हमने तो काउंट भी नहीं किया हमने कितनी लिखी. There are days when I've written 15 also, but mostly I've stuck to 10 because you know मेरी थोड़ी blessings थोड़ा paragraph थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाता है. But I have been writing every day. So tell me, who all have written 270? Tanvi, you have written? Yeah.
I have.
I have written every day since this class started, so I don't know how much.
Wow, very nice, very good. I'm very happy. हाँ, वरना क्या होता है कितने जन का जिनका हो नहीं भी हुआ है ना, कोई बात नहीं, आप आज से शुरू कर लो, ठीक है? आप लोग यहाँ पे आ रहे हो, सुन रहे हो और इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हो, दैट इज वंडरफुल. सो जस्ट कंटिन्यू विद दिस प्रैक्टिस बिकॉज जितना आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे ना उतना आपके लाइफ में ही उतना मैजिक होएगा, ठीक है?
I have a question.
हाँ, यस.
क्या हम Sundays ले सकते हैं blessing में?
संडेज मतलब ऑफ? यू डोंट ईट ऑन संडेज?
नहीं, but I don't know. मतलब I was just thinking that can we take an off day? Is it
See, you
allowed?
try it out, and if you are okay the whole day, see, I am telling you ना, मेरा तो मिस हुआ है. I'm telling you, फिर क्यों नहीं मिस कर रहे थे? फिर क्यों लिखना दूसरे दिन से लिखना स्टार्ट हो जाता था? When you don't write, okay, maybe ये law of universe है या maybe हमारे mind की ही बात है. I'm like, अरे कुछ गड़बड़ है आज, कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा था. If you don't brush your teeth, are you okay the whole day? I keep
No.
comparing it because that is how I felt when I did not write my blessings. Huh?
Okay.
Okay, so you see, you can
Fine.
check it for yourself and see इसका ये जो science इन्होंने बताया है ना कि सुबह उठ के when you're writing the blessings, you are starting on a positive note. Whenever you are writing your blessings, how do you actually feel after writing the blessings?
Yeah.
You feel nice and happy, yeah? So if you are liking it, huh? I think you had only shared sometimes you don't feel like writing, na? Tanvi, you had only
Yeah,
said,
yeah.
huh? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So
It feels like a task.
it
नहीं
feels-
मतलब I don't feel like doing it. I feel like it's a task. It's like that.
क्या होता है अगर अपन लिखते नहीं है, सी रॉन्डाबन टोल्ड अस कि आप मत लिखो, आप मन में सोच लो, लेकिन क्या होता है जब अपन लिखते नहीं है ना तो वो मन में भी नहीं आती है, राइट? टेल मी, जो काम की लिस्ट अपन बना के करते हैं वो होती है या खाली मन में सोच लेते हैं वो होती है? इवन व्हेन यू गो फॉर शॉपिंग, जो मन में रहती हैं वो रह ही जाती हैं, राइट? Many times, right? If you've gone shopping for maybe 12 items and if you have not written 2 तो छूटी जाती है. So you can try.
Mind पे burden clutter नहीं होता, I think.
Exactly.
If you write down.
Yes, true. I feel you should write down, and if you just Google, I think one of you can Google. जब आप लिख रहे होते हो, there is some nerve which is connected to your brain, which of course कोई अपन लिखते हैं तो सारी nerves ही brain से connected होती हैं, but when you are actually writing down things, वो और थोड़ी सी वो हो जाती है मन में, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, और solid या confirm हो जाती है कि yes उसकी feelings आपको वो connect करती है. There was a forward about this. I'll search for it and share it in the group. That why is it important to write? ठीक है? So that is why it's good to write. जब भी हम लोग मैनिफेस्टेशन कर रहे होते हैं या कुछ ड्रीम्स के बारे में करना होता है, इट इज ऑलवेज इन राइटिंग, ठीक है? तो उसके पीछे भी एक पूरा साइंस है. तो
I found out that if you write something by hand, all that complex sensory information increases the chances the knowledge will be stored for later. In short, writing by hand forces your brain to process information in a more detailed way, which helps you successfully load that information into your memory.
Okay. See, very good, Tanvi. Thank you. Yeah. So Tarani, you can, if you feel it's like a task, and we have mentioned it many times, even Rhonda Byrne has told it, and Tanvi just reminded us, if you fake it, you have to fake it till you make it. इसमें यही है. हाँ, चाहे अपन थैंक यू, सॉरी, प्लीज बच्चों को छोटे में सिखा रहे होते हैं, ठीक है, या ब्रश करना सिखा रहे होते हैं, या कोई गेम में उनको लेके जाते हैं, या ABCD भी लिखवाना होता है उनको बच्चों को, तो हमेशा से बहुत डांटी पड़ के हम लोग ने लिखना. कोई बच्चा हैप्पीली बैठ के ABCD नहीं लिखने लगता है. कोई लिखता है दे आर मोर इनटू कलरिंग, स्क्रिबलिंग. तो फोर्सफुली हम लोग को करना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है. So you have to do it.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, Hannah.
So regarding to what she said, today I actually didn't write my blessings, and it just slipped off my mind. And every day I've been writing my blessings. So like today, actually I observed this. My day was really negative. I was like, literally, it was like in my mind somewhere that something has been left out, or like I wasn't really grateful, or I don't know, kuch reh gaya aisa lag raha tha. And every day it's like so calm, patient, and I'm so happy every day. I thank in every bit of span. I'm like every hour I feel grateful for something, and today it was like imbalanced. It wasn't really a good day, kind of.
Okay. So, Anna, if something like this happens and you feel that, you are missing out, you have missed out on that, you can write it then and there. Okay. Or, if you feel, whenever you feel like, you can write. Okay. So that is why I said,
Yes, ma'am.
They are telling us to write it in the first half for this reason, that because when you are writing this, you are thinking of positivity, you are creating a positive aura around you. Okay. And you are attracting positivity in your life. When you are writing this in the first half, you are in the good zone. Okay. And everything seems good because you're attracting more good things to you. And if you have forgotten it, and to jab yaad aaye, you can write it down. Okay. Like abhi thode din se I just got my vaccination 2-3 days back, and I was not, my normal healthy fit self. So I was getting a little late, little relaxed. तो हम बाद में लिख लेते थे. That is why you might have noticed मेरी blessings done थोड़ी देर से आ रही थी, ठीक है. So I was writing it a little later because I know अगर नहीं हो पा रहा है तो I should not take it as a burden like Tarani. You should write it whenever you get time. Okay, because नहीं लिखते हैं ना तब थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो जाता है. तो इससे अच्छा जब याद आए तब आप लिख दो. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Nitya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, and thank you, Tarani. Please write, okay, because you will.
No. I'm writing. That is what I'm saying. I'm writing. But like today was a Sunday, so I was like, "Acha, aaj Sunday mana lete hain." And my day went very well. I consciously didn't do it, and I was like, "Should I do it? Should I not do it?" Then I did other things, and I was very happy. Formula One mein and all of that. So I had a very good day.
Okay.
But it was still so I didn't do it consciously, but I was okay. But I know that kal I will be doing it.
Okay, so then it is okay. See, it is your call. I cannot tell you कि नहीं आज नहीं किया तो कल 2 बार करना पड़ेगा या करना ही है. हमने देखा है जनरली क्या होता है, एक दिन नहीं करते ना तो दूसरे दिन लगता है कोई बात नहीं अब कल कर लेंगे, ऐसे ऐसे करके ना वो हो जाता है. राइट, लाइक जस्ट लाइक एक्सरसाइज, ट्रस्ट मी. राइट, ऐसा होता है ना.
Yeah, that is very
Why
true.
break the habit?
Diet.
I get a point. Why break the habit?
Yes, exactly. Yeah. Okay, so let's read.
Remember the magic by counting the blessings of yesterday and writing them down. Ask yourself the question, what are the good things that happened yesterday? Scan the surface of yesterday until you feel satisfied that you've remembered and written down all the blessings of the day.
Oh, sorry.
As you remember each one, simply say the magic words thank you for it in your mind.
नहीं, ये किसी ने नहीं पढ़ा, ठीक है. Forget this third step. You're not to say it in your mind. You have to write it. Yeah.
After today, you can do this practice as a written list or out loud or in your mind. You can make a quick list of the things you're grateful for about yesterday, or make a shorter and more detailed list and say why you're grateful for them. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yeah. So thank you, Nitya, for reading for all of us. Thank you so much. Yeah.
I have one more question.
Yes.
So when we do the magic rock at night, is it necessary to hold it in only one hand?
No, आप दोनों हाथ में पकड़ लो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
मतलब everywhere it is written, hold it in one hand. तो मतलब
इसलिए होता होगा, maybe कोई दो हाथ में नहीं पकड़ पाता होगा. I don't know, like at least एक हाथ में
not a huge
as huge a stone that you need two hands to hold it. Maybe that's
Yeah.
why she just
That
used
is
one
that,
hand.
yeah. Yes, see, I do like when you're sleeping, तो ऐसे करके तो कैसे सोएंगे ना? It may not be comfortable. So I hold it in my one hand, normally, and I'm like, ऐसे रख लेते हैं उसको, and you go off to sleep. Or if you're, like sleeping on your side, then ऐसे करके you can try it out. Okay. So honestly, I'll tell you, I had thought we'll cover this chapter also today. Okay, but I think we don't have time, right? Because tomorrow, otherwise, we'll be having 2 chapters. Okay, so let me just see how many pages are there here. Oh, sorry.
Oops.
Yeah, oops. What to do now? Like this, it can do, Oh, power aa gaya, sorry.
Masi, I think this is power.
Yeah, it is power. In the end of this book, now there are some things about power. Yeah, now we are back.
Oh.
Yeah, yes. So we have done this. I thought we'll read Magical Future also today. I don't think we have time. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we'll not be able to cover it now. Yeah, so tomorrow might be a little longer. Okay, I had thought we'll be able to finish this chapter as well today, but I think we talk more about other stuff. But I'm cool with it. I guess you guys. So tomorrow will be a little longer. Okay, it can continue till maybe I think 9:30, or we can start around 7:30 and finish it by 9. Okay, so as it suits everyone, you can mention in the group. Would you want to start at 7:30 and finish at 9, or 8 o'clock this time and finish by 9:30? Okay. So thank you, Nitya, for reading for all of us. And any question? And Viraj, you had a sharing also. If you have not fallen asleep after your bike ride.
Masi, I want to ask you something.
Yes.
If you are told to describe this entire book, like to a person who doesn't know anything about magic or anything related to it, or the book or the author, how would you describe it? Like a short synopsis kind of thing.
See, this I had done a long time back. What I would do is I was never, away with this book. If you see, abhi to uska cover hata diya humne, ko yahan dikhana padta hai. It was always in my bag, always. Wherever I would go, it was with me. When I would go to office, it was with me in my bag. Ki kabhi time milta tha, मेरे को कुछ सोचना, I would just read about the practice today and I read it again. Toilet भी जाते थे, उसको लेके ही चले जाते थे कि क्या है उसके अंदर, शुरू से पढ़ ले. I was like that. और तो और कोई मिलता था.
Ma'am, how many classes are left?
Tomorrow is our last class, Viraj. Okay. So whenever I would meet someone, I would start talking about the book, that this book is so amazing. It has got such amazing changes in me. Okay. I would start off with that. That gratitude is so important. It's very difficult to explain the whole book to someone in just 2-3 lines. I would say just attend one session, in the sense like just first class or any class, and just feel it. Okay. I don't know how I convinced quite a few friends of mine to do this. Okay. Yeah. So it started like that only. I don't know how, like, abhi nahi aa raha Tanvi mere ko. You have to tell me. I'm like so much ki na andar.
There's nothing you can talk about the book as such, because there are different things in every chapter. Yes. And like the book is so informative throughout that you cannot sum it up in a few words. So I was just wondering, so if I have to tell my friends, how do I go about the entire thing? So it's like one thing from here, one thing from there, and then you figure out the book for yourself, or you join it and then you'll be able to figure out it better.
Yes. Tanvi, can I tell you? Because when I went to my school in the April, I and both my roommates, we started doing this book, but we only continued it for 7 days. Anyway, and what I started up with was by explaining to them the law of attraction, because it's really powerful. And if they are interested in it, and then you can say that, if you want to achieve your dreams, and if you believe that you can achieve your dreams, you can try it.
Okay. Yeah, cool. Thank you.
Ma'am, I think they can get inspired by seeing the changes in you.
Yes, that's what I was about to say, that I started off by saying that I have started feeling much better. Okay, that is the first thing I had started off with. Like, now I'm much more at peace. Okay, and my relationships are getting better. More than all those things, I was feeling at peace. Okay, I was sleeping better. The magic rock practice did wonders. Okay, from the day I started, it was like amazing. उसके पहले जितना भी ये सब होता था ना, योग निद्रा, sleeping music and all that, I would listen to that every day because I'm a very light sleeper and I would sleep late also, thanks to all the series also that I used to watch. So I was a very late sleeper and a very light sleeper. अभी भी ये सब है, but और लेट भी जाते थे ना तो नींद नहीं आती थी. I was just thinking I thought इससे अच्छा तो फोन में कुछ देख लो, you know, and then the cycle would carry on. So with the Magic Rock practice itself, things started changing, and you know, I started feeling nicer and lighter in my mind. Okay, and I started looking at things in a positive manner. But that is also true. What Nitya is saying is better, because someone might say, I'm already sleeping better, I'm always so
Yeah.
light
And
in mind."
it is not as convincing as it could be. Like, to get the first person to agree and believe what you're trying to say, it's tough.
And secondly, I'll tell you something. Those who will get into this now, they will not need convincing. Okay, because for them it could be just a cue from the universe. Like how my friend told me, Priya, तुम करो तो join. Priya, तुम करो तो join. एक बार मैं like, क्या है ऐसा, अपने आप ही कर लेंगे ना book में.
It's about the calling.
करो तो, yeah. And then when I did it, I was hooked to it like this. So that's how. And I'm telling you, I tried convincing my sisters. Okay, I have two sisters. None of them have joined. Okay, so joined and they left also. उनके नहीं होगा calling अभी. Yeah, so it's like those who are meant to practice this, only they will continue with this.
That's true.
Thank you, Nitya.
Ma'am, I have a sharing.
Yeah.
Yes, Viraj. Yeah. So now are you freshened up and all? Yeah, not and looking smart.
No, ma'am, still I'm not looking smart because I'm still very tired.
But you are born smart and you are smart. Okay. आज mirror practice यही था. आज किया था mirror practice, Viraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So let's hear your sharing. Yeah.
Ma'am, I reached my target. Ma'am, I had to do 100 kilometers in 1 week, and I did 100 kilometers in 1 week cycling. And my father did 200 kilometers in 1 week, and it was his target.
Wow, very nice. I'm more happy about your target. You're like a young kid and you could achieve that. It's like really nice. Wonderful. Very good. So,
and ma'am, I was a little unwell today, so I did the magic wand practice for myself.
Okay.
And now I'm a little better.
Okay. Wonderful. Very nice. Magic wand is generally for others. There are other practices that you have to do for yourself, as in like, you know, the health note, okay, and gratitude for your body parts. That is the practice which is, these practices are more effective if you want the changes in you. Okay. Okay. So any other sharing?
Can I share something?
Yes, please.
For the ones who love the magical mirror practice and want to pursue self-love at a more good level and understand all of this better, there's a book called Good Vibes by Vex King, and it has explained everything very well.
Okay.
So you can try it out.
Okay. So Nitya, all these, you know, references you should give in the group. Okay.
Okay.
Post it in the group for us. Yeah.
Okay. So my magical mirror practice, I had shivers.
Okay.
I had shivers and goosebumps because I think it just acknowledging a journey was so huge.
Yeah. Very good. Very nice. And you did it many times, and you mentioned the reasons also. Yeah.
Yeah. Every time there was something new that you were thanking.
Okay.
It's huge. Very impactful.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have decided I will do the session again from the recording.
I have a question on this. Yeah, thanks, Viraj. I also was thinking that if we do the book again, if we restart the book on our own or with you or someone, anyone, do we do the magic note? Do we do the health card? Do we make them again? Or do we?
Those you don't make again. Those you continue with yours. Okay, like I am doing with you guys. I have not made it again. I'm looking at my same magic note. Okay, only when the check materializes, then I write it again.
Okay.
So those I don't need to write again. Those you have to look at the same thing, unless you know you want to make two of it. It's like if maybe one you want to put it in your room, one you want to put it in your office or in your car or in your school bag. You want to, you know, carry one with you to the school. So that time you can make two. Otherwise, that one is good enough.
Got it.
Yeah, and Tarini,
Thank you.
thank you. You do the mirror practice every day. Okay, every day in the sense like each time may not be, you might not remember each time, but whenever you remember, whether you are going to sleep before that, or in the morning when you're brushing your teeth, or when you're ready and you just are about to step out, that time when you're looking at the mirror, that time you do this mirror practice. Okay, but you do it every day. So these are the practices. Yeah, this is a question for tomorrow. Did all of you write down that I love things wala chart banaya sabne? How many things you love?
My favorite things.
Yeah, your favorite things or the things that you love to do or you love, वो बनाना है सबको हम लोग को, ठीक है? तो वो एकदम must है बनाना. And हमने वो जो I am grateful.
And I wrote 35, no, sorry, 36. And then I thought that they are endless, so I'll write them tomorrow.
ओके, सो जब याद आए ना, अभी लग रहा है ना कि अब हमको ग्रैटिट्यूड नहीं कर रहा है, तो यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग द थिंग्स ब्लेसिंग्स के अलावा, ठीक है? नॉट दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स यू आर राइटिंग आई लव यू, नॉट दैट. ओके, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द थिंग्स दैट यू लव. व्हेनेवर यू फील अ लिटिल लो, कुछ फाइटिंग हो गई है, फाइटिंग नहीं हो गई, चलो कुछ थोड़ा सा कुछ अपसेटिंग कुछ हो गया है, कुछ ब्रेक डाउन हो गया है, यू जस्ट स्टार्ट राइटिंग अबाउट दैट. ठीक है? सो वन इज दिस. सेकंड, वो जो हमने आई एम ग्रेटफुल वाला 2-3 पिक्चर्स भेजी थी ना, if you are into a little bit of creativity, make something like that and put it in your room. Okay, because that is again a constant reminder to you. Yes, these are the things. And I really love the thing, वो जो hand में था, एक में कुछ, I really loved it. I thought वो हम भी बना के एक तो चिपका लेंगे. It is so cute and so nice. It's like उसको देख के I was feeling positive. So I thought I will also be a little creative and make something like that for my room. Okay, so do that. And tomorrow I want all of you, those who attend the session, of course, to come up with a list of practices that you are going to do on your own every day. Okay, and those of you who are starting the book again, okay, in fact, if you want, you can, Tarini, like if your brother is there and he has not done this book, you can teach him how to do the practices. Okay, you can teach him, your friends or his friends, and 4-5 Sorry?
This will be quite a difficult task.
No, nothing like that. And Tarni, when you're actually asking them to do, it will be like a big revision for you as well. Okay. And you will get blessings when they see magics happening in their life. Okay. So if you can make a group, you can start with them. If you want to, I don't know, youngsters ka koi session start ho raha hai ki nahi, but 2 of my friends are starting the session. One is starting on the 8th and one is starting on the 10th. But उसमें maybe थोड़े elders ज़्यादा रहेंगे. I don't think उसमें कोई भी kids रहेंगे. But if you want, you can always join that and do the practices with them. Okay. I am not starting a session very soon. Maybe after 10-15 days. I'm not sure. अगर होगा, see, I would love to start a class for youngsters only. Okay, but since you guys have already done it with me, I don't know if you would be interested to do again, or maybe your friends would want to do. So I'm not sure which session I want to do now. Okay, if it's youngsters and if you guys are interested, you can tell me, then I will definitely.
Do you think the book is different when you're doing it with the adults? Is there a different tone to it?
Little different, because see, everyone has their own world, right? It's like, see, when everyone has their own world. Now, your life is like your friends, your series, your parents' issues, your friends' issues. Your dreams are different now, right? And for adults, it's a little different. Their life is different. They have kids, they have in-laws, or they have parents. So they have, a different set of situations and challenges. Yeah. So for them, we talk about different things, So it's a little different. Yeah. Their dreams are different. They want, in their dreams, they are writing about their kids, about the income for the family, about relationships, about holidays, and your dreams are a little different, right?
They're only about us.
Not necessarily. You write about, like, keep family bhi achhe rahe, khush rahe. I'm sure you must have written that, right?
Yeah, but focus is on us.
Only, yes, good. Like, you're blessed that the focus is on you now, right? When you're growing up, sabke upar focus idhar udhar karna hi padta hai. Yeah. So that way. So it's a little different.
And Tarini Didi herself is an adult.
Yeah, I'm an adult. But I still connected with everyone on school level.
Yes. And Viraj, you thought so your age, right? Viraj only said, na? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. No, if you are not married, okay, till then you have the same set of kind of issues. if you're living with your parents and you're not married, you have the same set of challenges. When you're married, then there are different set of challenges. Yeah, you are responsible for different people. Sab log chalega. I'll also switch off my camera. Yeah, just 1 second. Yeah. So when you're married, your responsibilities are different, right? Your challenges are different. Huh? So that is why we thought youngsters का एक अलग group रहता है and adults का या seniors का एक different group रहता है. Yeah.
Can I say something?
Yes, Khushi.
So, like Tarini Didi said that asked that is there any difference between adult and youngsters sessions?
Yes.
Yeah, there's a lot of difference. Like I've done it with Mrinal auntie twice in the morning. So like when it's with adults, their sharings, we don't connect with it. But when it's with like, same age or same like-minded people, it really connects. Like if anyone tells anything, even we connect with it. Like even the dreams, we can even borrow dreams. Like if anyone wants to travel somewhere, we can just, even if we think that, yeah, that's a good place to go, even we can add it to our bucket list.
Yes.
So I think youngsters really very much more fun. We have a lot of, we even chat to something which is really very common. So it becomes really interactive and nice, because when I was doing that, of course I got to learn, but that it wasn't that fun.
Okay, thank you, Khushi.
Fun.
Thank you.
We do the warm-up, that's so cute.
Sorry?
We do the warm-up, even that's so cute, like 10 little fingers.
Oh, I love it. I do it.
Thank you. Thank you.
I did it for a coat earring. Because I'm so stressed.
So what you do is you do this 10 little fingers. So I'm not kidding.
I really smile, and then everything went really well. Yeah. So it was just so simple and nice.
Yeah. I read this. Thank you. I read this book, The 5 a.m. Club. Okay. And I'm just forgetting the writer. Okay.
Robin Sharma. Robin Sharma.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. In that, the thing that guy used to do, the main lead who was telling it's like a story. Okay. That whole book is like a story. So now he's telling the other people whom he was training that whenever he had a difficult situation, okay, he would start doing push-ups immediately. Okay, so now when I'm, Rajan sir, I do sessions with Ashmin ma'am. So there, Rajan sir says that, jumping on the trampoline is the best thing, okay, to, make you energetic. And then Ashmin ma'am said that, she said 10 little fingers. So I thought, 10 little fingers, what is this? Of course, she did not, we don't do all this warm up over there. But then I thought this is a good thing. Like, like 10 little fingers. Then I found out which is this poem, because I had never done this poem when I was a kid. So then I found out, then I remembered, okay, ye lines hai, aur uske baad aur bhi bahut sari cute lines hai usme. So I thought this we can do. So actually, whenever you are feeling a little stressed, either you do this or you start jumping in your place, okay? Like this is skipping, yeah, spot jogging jaise bolte hain na. But I thought wo sab karna thoda sa difficult ho jayega. This was very easy. It's like, move it, shake it. This is actually very good. So whenever you are feeling a little low, or if you are feeling a little nervous before your exam or something, or if you have to go and tell your mom and dad something, just do this and then go and see how things happen. Okay, so yes, you can do it with the adults. It is better than not doing anything. In my one of my sessions, there was this girl, Surbhi. She had just passed out from college. Of course, she did not share too much because, like Khushi is saying, unka sharing is different hota hai, because उनकी जैसी life में जो challenges होते हैं उसी के हिसाब से sharing होती है, वही dreams होती है, right? So with you, that's why I said I am more keen on doing a youngster ka session. Like really, like I feel now that I'm getting a chance to interact with you guys or young people, you actually need this gratitude thing, because अगर अभी से gratitude practice शुरू हो जाएगी, अभी से dreams सच होने लग जाएंगी, तो life कितनी अच्छी हो जाएगी. And when you are in gratitude, you are looking for good in everyone else, and then the whole generation तो तब अच्छी होगी. The whole country will, be charged up and do more good. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, when our parents do this class, they focus on some specific points like income, their kids' future, and their business. Like, ma'am, my mother was doing this power class, and she was writing for income, and our business is going high.
Yes, true.
But ma'am, but when I share with her, her sharings are totally different. Sometimes I even don't understand what she's sharing.
Okay, okay. So
Marty, I'm sure with the age gap, even your examples differ.
yes.
Exactly.
Yes, they differ. Tanvi,
Ma'am,
you
can I
have-
share something?
Yes, Ahana. Yeah.
So ma'am, I have a twin brother.
Okay.
And like since the day we've started the book, so I've been like feeling gratitude for everything. So he's like, your diary is filled with thank you, thank you, thank you. Your mirror is filled with thank you, thank you, thank you. You walk down the hallway saying thank you, thank you, thank you. What is this? And then the manager practice we had to thank for every second thing. So I used to just talk to myself, like so that I don't get distracted in my mind. So he's like, you keep talking to yourself, I'm haunted and all. He's like, you sleep with a smile. So he's like, tell me something about it. What is this? So I told him that I even have my check and all. So he made that, and he had some wishes and some dreams. So he wrote about it. And so one of the dreams was like he really relished food, like every second time he did, because he is a foodie. And he like loves food. And like my parents, they are like, don't eat zyada, be lockdown and all hai, then it's not safe because of corona. So since the day he started writing thank you and just feeling gratitude for food, every second day there's a parcel, like he's been ordering. And like parents are like, here, this is a shawarma, here, this is noodles, and every second your mom's been cooking something for him. And I'm like, what about my dreams? I started that. And he's like, see, I've been winning. He's just walking down the hallway, see, I'm thanking this, see, I'm. So it's like just a challenge between us.
Okay, wow, that's
So
very nice, very cute.
he made his magic rock. He wakes up every morning, he's like, see, I've completed 10 blessings today, I'll write 20, today I'll write 30, I'll be thankful this.
Wow, very nice, Anna. Really amazing, huh? That you could inspire your brother into this, and it's like both of you are like competition ho raha hai. Very nice. Yeah.
And ma'am, I also wanted to say, like, before this class, my mom told me that you should be thankful for everything, every second thing you should be thankful, everything that you see you should be thankful for. And I was into a little bit positivity, and I used to thank every day for my positivity. But he was a little negative regarding life and all, so he was just taking things in a negative way. So I actually saw the change in him after the book. Like, my mom told me that I've grown literally positive, but mom's like, isko kya ho gaya, ye kya ho gaya, what miracle is this?
Wow, awesome, awesome. So Tanvi, see, you are collecting all the blessings, you bought Ahana, right?
Yes.
Yes, amazing, wonderful, Ahana. So keep
Thank
doing
you, ma'am.
this.
Yes.
What you guys can do is like 4-5 of you are friends now, and those who are not, like you can also bring more people and do it with you, right? नहीं भी हो रहा है कोई सेशन, अगर आपको नहीं ज्वाइन करना है कोई सेशन, like Tarni, you can start the book with your brother, okay, or with your cousins, anyone. It's like जितने ज्यादा लोगों को आप कराओगे और अच्छा. See, the book is so simple. Just one chapter you have to do daily with the other person. You can get 2-3 people to do it with you. You can just read, explain to the person, show them how to write the blessings, okay? जब तक सेशन नहीं स्टार्ट हो रहा है तब तक यू कैन डू दिस. अदरवाइज मेरे को कोई पता चलेगा यंगस्टर्स का सेशन स्टार्ट हो रहा है, आई विल शेयर इट इन द ग्रुप. ठीक है, तो जो भी कर रहा होगा यू कैन जस्ट आस्क देम टू जॉइन, और यू कैन आल्सो जॉइन सो दैट यू बी इन द प्रैक्टिस रेगुलरली. क्या होता है अदरवाइज यू विल प्रॉब्ली जस्ट स्टिक टू मॉर्निंग ब्लेसिंग्स, मैजिक रॉक, फूड, ग्रैटिट्यूड, ये सब कुछ कुछ रह जाते हैं. जब अपन सारे प्रैक्टिसेस डेली डेली करते रहते हैं ना, तो और ज्यादा मैजिक्स होते हैं. ठीक है, जो कुछ सोच रहे होते हैं अभी, जो फूड में सबसे ज्यादा मैजिक हो रहा है, क्यों हम देख रहे हैं बच्चों के. आई थॉट क्योंकि हम फूडी हैं, आई यूज्ड टू गिव मेजर फूड एग्जांपल्स. हाँ, समोसा, पुचका, जैसे जो हम अट्रैक्ट करते होंगे वही हम बोलते होंगे. तो अब हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ तो सब लोग के खुद ही फूड का, मैंने बहुत कम एग्जांपल दी एंड सबका फूड आ रहा है अट्रैक्ट होके, बिकॉज I think we are in that age group. You guys are in that age group that food is quite important. Yummy food, tasty food, yeah. And not to call it junk, okay? Or not to call the tasty food junk. Okay? It should be like what you are saying. No, words are very powerful. So what you are saying, the universe is taking it like that. ठीक है, जैसे अपन को बोलते हैं ना एकदम भयानक गर्मी है, ये सारे वर्ड्स बोलने ही नहीं हम लोग को. टेरिबल, ये सब नहीं बोले, ओनली स्पीक पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स. ठीक है, सो ये भी एक लिस्ट बाकी थी ना, हम लोगों ने बनाई थी ना एक दिन ये वाली लिस्ट. हाँ, that we had said all
adjectives वाली.
yes, so use only those. हाँ, पता है सीन जो एडल्ट्स वाला ग्रुप था उसमें हर्षिका is not here, her mom had सबने जो वर्ड भेजे थे ना,
Compiled it, yeah. Talented,
yes,
Tanvi, like, yeah, I had seen that.
you've seen that ना, like a huge list she made adding all the adjectives together कि कोई भी उसको देखेगा it's like a ready reckoner कि yes ये adjectives use करने हैं मेरे को अपने daily life में. Okay, so really nice.
Actually, one thing, sorry, I just had to remind that those who have not sent their birthdays on the group, tell them to send it because I've made a calendar. I just have to add it for them.
Yeah, very good. Vanchika's birthday is tomorrow, right? Yeah, one birthday is tomorrow. So please, I'll ask.
And I have received like only, I guess, 11 or 12 people, and there are like more than 20 people. So I just wanted to remind everyone to send it so then I can complete it and send it on the group. So everyone has.
Okay. जिसने नहीं भेजा, I think Viraj is not there in the group now. Viraj and
just
Vivan.
sent it.
Please just.
Ma'am, my mom is.
Mom is matlab? Like you tell us now only now. When is your birthday?
Yeah, I don't know.
Ma'am, 5th February.
Okay. ठीक है ना, Aquarian. ठीक है. And Vivan, are you there?
Ma'am, 7th April.
Okay. Oh, 7th April is my mom's birthday. Okay. ठीक है. So very good. I'm I'll miss
Better
you
way
guys
of
a lot.
remembering.
Okay, yes, good way of remembering, also true. I'll miss you guys a lot. Okay, so this will
I have something to share.
yes,
Like it has really helped me. I went to my school when I was 12. So before going to my school, I wrote a letter, or like it was 3 to 4 pages where I wrote questions for the 15-year-old me, that what are you doing? Are you doing this? Are you doing that? And all the stuff I expected from my 15-year-old self. And yesterday night I opened it, and like I was literally crying because there were so many things I did expect myself, and I am already that, and a lot of stuff. I had written down situations I had been, and a lot of stuff, and it felt really good. And yesterday itself, I wrote another letter to the 18-year-old me, where I've written the questions. So you all can really do this because
that's very nice. Very good.
Yeah.
From where did you get this idea? Your mom told you?
No, just randomly.
Wow, excellent idea. So please you share with everyone. No? Yes, please do that.
And because when you think now that when at 18 you read that I am this, it feels so good, and you are just reminded on the track, and it's really beautiful.
Wow, excellent. So please do that. Wonderful idea, Nitya.
Thank you, Nitya.
Yes, do that. जितने भी आप लोग हो, सब 3 साल आगे का एक तो कर लो, सब लोग की different age है. Please write a letter to yourself how Nitya is telling you. Okay.
What, ma'am? I am sorry, I didn't hear.
So she's Nitya, please repeat. Yeah, what you have to do.
I said that you can write all the expectations you have from the self you'll be 3 years after now. And just put it somewhere that you'll open it, and just set yourself a date and a timer, and probably put a alarm on the Google Calendar that you have to open it. And when you read it after 3 years, you can just see all the changes you've made, and you've got your
whatever you have achieved or what you have done, what you're expecting to do. Awesome.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yes, do that. Okay. Wonderful.
Ma'am, my father has not done this book, but still he has a calendar which he checks every day that what all I have to do.
Who does that? Sorry, I missed out.
Ma'am, my father. Ma'am, he does not even reads the book.
Okay, no, it's okay. You don't have to read the book. There are many people who already have a schedule kind of a thing that 5 years down the line you'll be doing that, 10 years down the line you will be achieving this. So people do that. They set themselves targets or goals. Okay, so it's perfectly fine. You don't everything, people have this book is like maybe a different version, but people have been following such habits for a long time because this book is also derived from many sources. Okay.
And then they even achieve what they planned.
Yes, because they have set themselves a target. Their dreams are written down. Their dreams are right in front of them. So that is why vision board is very important. Okay. So many of you who have not made a vision board, please make it. Okay. Because for you, it's very easy to attract what you want in your life. Okay. Because your goals, like Tarini was saying, it's just us. Yeah. Like you guys are thinking only about you. So your dreams are all in front of you. Your energy is more focused. Okay. So I think इतने देर में तुम लोग शायद chapter
One more thing.
I know.
So I did this thing for a few days ago. You can write a letter to the universe about all the things you want. And at the end, just add that I want this, or you can get something better to me. And there are a few more stuff. And it can also be good. Like you can write a direct letter to the universe, directing it to the universe.
Okay, yeah, you can do that also. But dreams भी लिख लेना, ठीक है? Dream
Yeah.
visualization, I will say whatever the book is telling us to do, I will tell you to do that. But apart from that, you can write the letter to yourself, to the universe, sorry, and also the 3-year, letter to a 3-year older you is a very good idea. Okay, so you can do that, and let's join our hands and do a gratitude. Yes, and we'll see each other tomorrow. And tomorrow's session will be 1.5 hours because today's was also 1.5, so tomorrow will be 1.5 hours. We have 2 chapters to cover. Tanvi, your hair is looking awesome. Okay, yeah. So let's join our hands and close our eyes and pay gratitude to the Supreme Power. Thank you, thank you, thank you to the Supreme Power and the wonderful elements of nature who have brought us into this world, filled our life with love, given us this beautiful family and the love of our parents. Thank you for the abundance of riches, luxuries, love. Thank you for the wonderful school and the education. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Masi. Good night.
Good night. Good night. And see you
Thank you.
tomorrow.
Thank you, Auntie. Good
Yes,
night.
bye-bye. Good night.